Menteri rang ba ka jelau Conrad ke sama ke sing thoding ula ong ba ka Jingshngaiñ ba ka Ïada yaki Paidbah ka jela ka dei kamat ba Hakhmat du jong ka sarkar MDA aba pli ya ka building ba thamai jong ka melang kona police outpost West Khasi Hills. Kamelang kona ka dei ka snong ka badon markap bat ka Assam bat ka diru ka bajumi bha ki jing ya kan namar ka jingwan pin ibor jong kinong Assam hakipor ba la leno ka balam sha ki jing kulmar ka bashurkai. Ulong ka nekade ki Ïada bala Aslam bha jong ki Paidbah ka melang kona banyo ya ka police outpost. Kane ka jingwan ra ka police outpost bat mai kan pha ka khobor ba ka Jingshngaiñ bat ka Ïada ya ki Paidbah ka badei ka bakong santam.
And you will wait. Go. Sir, close up. 1, 2, and 3. Good. So we are here in Malangkona today, and as you've seen, we have just inaugurated the new building of the Malangkona outpost, and this has been a very long pending demand of the people out here. And there are two things I would like to specifically mention about this. Number one is that this is a very strong message and a symbol that safety and security of our people is important, and that's why we have all come here to be part of this program. And we want to show that it won't be just here, but in all the different parts of the state, wherever such critical locations are there, we will ensure that sufficient infrastructure and manpower is provided in different locations. Number two, we also would like to state that this building was made through the PIRF fund, which is now made available to the SPs to have a flexible fund where they can utilize it to repair new constructions at their own district level without taking any approval from the state or from the government. And this has enabled this particular building to come up. But the beauty of this building is that while the money came for the materials and all from here, the people of this village have contributed as manpower, laborers. They came and worked themselves. Some even contributed by giving building materials out here. Even the SP and the DC at the personal level have come in and monitored things. So this is a very good and great example of the society coming together and sending a very strong message to the state. So I would encourage that other locations also, when there's such type of projects come up, if the community can be part of the project, it sends a very, very strong message. So I congratulate our Honorable Deputy CM in charge of Home Police and all the officials who have made this project a success. Thank you very much.
On behalf of the SP, Sir, West Khasi Hills, I'm glad to be standing here to express my vote of all the way from Shillong to be amongst us despite your busy schedule. Your presence here is a testimony of